Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of These Are My Power Tools, brought to you by Peace World Productions. It's been over a year since the last time I posted a video, and as promised, I have one today because I've gotten my newest acquisition of power tool, which is a nail gun. I'd like to show you how it works. There are two types of nail guns. One is the pneumatic, which you have to use a compressor. That means air is driving out the nail through the gun. And another one, the electric type. For me, that's more portable, and I don't really have to maintain a compressor or bring along a compressor for me if I have some projects to do out of my location. So join me and stick around and I'll show you how it works. What a great tool to have with you when you're doing some woodwork indeed. If you guys are into woodwork, make sure to have one of those available in your workshop. Okay guys, till then, this is Pete La Peña signing off. God bless everyone. Stay safe.